Welcome to 4 bar 11 Fencourt Road here in Cambridge. What have we got here, Chris?
Stunning lifestyle property here. Trees are 11.95 hectares. Absolutely wonderful location, just minutes from Cambridge. Beautifully set up property, central race, paddocks, troughs in every paddock, yards, sheds, everything here to develop the perfect lifestyle property.
So this is it, the building spot for this property, eh? Imagine building here and being able to look out across your property here. It's a great spot.
It certainly is a great spot. Stunning property, surrounded by beautiful homes. If you've got a bit of an eye to the future, who knows what this might end up being. If you'd like to know more, give either Teresa or myself a call. We'd love to show you around.